This is the new Eco 1000 system, the hygienic system to catch rats and mice without pesticides. I will shortly explain how the system works. I will take the top off. As you can see, you can insert the food to lure the rats and mice. They will certainly not enter the system while it's such a beautiful machine. The beauty of this system is that you can do all kinds of food inside. Sunflower kernels, seeds, etc. etc. The rats and mice will climb the stairs and will leave their scent on the scent rope. In this way it will lure other rats and mice. When they have climbed the stairs, they will continue walking to eat more and more. At the end of this path, they will put their feet on an iron plate, which is a switch. The switch will let the hatch fall, and like this they fall down again and again. It's not necessary to open the machine to check whether there are rats or mice in it. On the back of the machine they have made a counter. Here you can see the tens, and you can see below 1 until 9. Today we have catched, let's see, 44 rats or mice. This switch is to check if the battery is working or not. The rats and mice fall into the lowest department of this machine, which has special fluid inside. This fluid contains for the biggest part alcohol, with additions which will prevent evaporation. When the rats and mice fall in, they will be preserved for a couple of months. All this will save a lot of time. The new Eco 1000 system is a fantastic solution